Welcome all, I am Kajal, owner of KC Tech LLC. Here is a brief presentation on one of the most beautiful Pacific island countries, Fiji, and her modern day's challenges with solid waste management. Let's see how KC Tech and its partners can help to solve it with international standards and protocol. We prepared this report for the IBG News G20 Meet Environment News section.
Fiji is a beautiful island nation in the South Pacific that is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush tropical forests. Nadi. This is the gateway to Fiji, where most visitors arrive at the international airport. Nadi is also a great place to experience the local culture and sample traditional Fijian cuisine. Nadi is a bustling city located on the western side of the main island of Viti Levu and serves as the gateway to Fiji for many visitors. Denarau Island. This man-made island is home to a number of luxury resorts, including the Sheraton and Westin, and is a popular spot for water sports, golfing, and shopping. Usawa Islands. This group of islands to the northwest of Fiji main island is known for its secluded beaches and stunning coral reefs. It's a great place for snorkeling, diving, and swimming with manta rays. The Usawa Islands are a chain of 20 islands located to the northwest of the main island of Viti Levu. These islands are known for their stunning beaches, clear waters, and remote, untouched beauty. Mamanuca Islands. This cluster of islands is located off the coast of Viti Levu, located to the west of Nadi, Fiji main island, and is home to some of Fiji's most popular resorts and activities, including surfing, sailing, and island hopping. Also known for its crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and excellent snorkeling and diving opportunities. Suva. Fiji capital city is located on the eastern side of Viti Levu and is a great place to learn about the country's history and culture. Coral Coast. This stretch of coastline on Viti Levu is known for its stunning coral reefs, beautiful white sand beaches, and laid-back atmosphere. It's a popular spot for surfing, snorkeling, and diving. The country is full of natural beauty and cultural treasures, and there's something for everyone to enjoy. Like many other countries, Fiji faces a number of environmental challenges. Some of the main environmental problems in Fiji include climate change. Fiji is highly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, including rising sea levels, more frequent and severe storms, and ocean acidification. These changes threaten the country's infrastructure, food security, and the health and well-being of its people. Deforestation. Deforestation is a major problem in Fiji, with significant areas of forest being cleared for agriculture, logging, and urban development. This loss of forest habitat can lead to soil erosion, biodiversity loss, and other negative impacts on the environment. Water pollution. Water pollution is a growing problem in Fiji, with untreated sewage, agricultural runoff, and industrial waste contaminating the country's rivers, lakes, and coastal waters. This pollution can harm marine life, damage coral reefs, and pose health risks to humans and wildlife. Waste management. Proper waste management is a challenge in Fiji, with limited infrastructure for recycling and disposal of waste. This leads to littering, illegal dumping, and other environmental problems. Overfishing. Overfishing is a problem in Fiji, with many fish stocks being depleted due to unsustainable fishing practices. The country has taken steps to address these problems, but more work is needed to ensure the sustainability of its natural resources and protect the environment for future generations. Solid waste management is a significant challenge in Fiji, with inadequate infrastructure and limited resources for waste collection, transportation, and disposal. Limited landfill capacity. Fiji has limited landfill capacity, and many existing landfills are nearing capacity or are already full. This creates challenges for waste disposal and can lead to environmental pollution and health risks. Informal waste management practices. Many people in Fiji resort to informal waste management practices, such as burning or burying waste, which can release harmful pollutants into the environment and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Poor waste segregation. Waste segregation is not widely practiced in Fiji, and many people dispose of different types of waste together. Limited recycling infrastructure. Fiji has limited recycling infrastructure, with only a few facilities for recycling plastic, glass, and other materials. This means that much of the waste generated in Fiji ends up in landfills or polluting the environment. Lack of public awareness. There is limited public awareness of the importance of proper waste management practices in Fiji, and many people do not understand the environmental and health risks associated with improper waste disposal. However, more work is needed to ensure that solid waste is managed in a sustainable and environmentally responsible manner in Fiji. Here is the solution called magnetic pyrolysis. It is a waste treatment process that uses a combination of pyrolysis and magnetic separation to decompose waste in a landfill or dump site. The process involves heating the waste to high temperatures in the absence of oxygen to produce gas, liquid, and solid byproducts. The gas and liquid byproducts can be used as fuel, while the solid residue can be further processed or disposed of safely. Magnetic pyrolysis uses a magnetic separator to separate ferromagnetic materials, such as iron and steel, from non-magnetic materials. This allows for the recovery of valuable materials from the waste stream, such as metals and plastics, which can be recycled or reused. The process has several advantages over traditional waste treatment methods, including reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Magnetic pyrolysis can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions by converting waste into fuel instead of releasing it into the atmosphere as methane. Reduced landfill usage. Magnetic pyrolysis can reduce the amount of waste going to landfills, extending the lifespan of existing landfills and reducing the need for new ones. Reduced environmental impact. The process can reduce the environmental impact of waste by safely decomposing it and recovering valuable materials, reducing the need for hazardous waste disposal. However, there are also some limitations to magnetic pyrolysis, including the need for specialized equipment and expertise, and the potential for toxic emissions if the process is not properly controlled. Here comes the benefit of KC Tech LLC and its partners as a group to manage the end-to-end last-mile connectivity for solid waste management. Professionally managed group with certified experts to GXP quality implementation with ISO and UNCCC protocol as managed by the Central Pollution Control Board of India. Overall, magnetic pyrolysis is a promising waste treatment method that has the potential to address some of the environmental and social challenges associated with waste management in dump sites and landfills. Let's make better tomorrow for the world environment and enjoy pristine Fiji, forever a paradise in the Pacific region.